Hi guys, welcome to another video here on the channel. Before we jump into today's video, I wanted to announce the winner of the Freedom Mastery Law of Attraction 2020 Dated Life Planner. So congrats to Tanisha Ingram. Tanisha, thank you so much for entering the giveaway, and you are the winner of this planner. So please send me your contact information as soon as possible to chaoticcritic@gmail.com so I can get the planner out to you. For all of you that enter, I thank you so much. Your feedback in that particular video for this giveaway is going to help so much as I am creating content for the new year, content that you want to see, content that you're going to find helpful. So I thank you guys so much. But again, congrats to Tanisha. Tanisha, I did leave a comment under your entry in the video, but again, please send me your contact information as soon as possible to chaoticcritic@gmail.com. Congrats again. Thank you to all who entered, and without further ado, let's get into today's. Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is another addition in my Planning for 2020 series. For those of you that are new to the channel, I will have it linked in the description box as well as other related videos for you guys to check out. But in a nutshell, it's featured tips and tricks on how to help you choose the right planner for you in the new year with the ultimate purpose of helping you crush your goals. Today we are going to be diving into my planning section, and I thought I would share with you guys how I am going to mind map and also show you a little bit how I've been using my inserts. So I did a video on the inserts that I'm going to be using in 2020, and these are the inserts from Dear Planner. It's a week on one page. This month has been a lot of trial and error as to how I want to use it, and I think I got it to where I want it. I like the back page to be able to have notes. This past week I was battling the flu, a cold. I don't know what the hell it was. I'm just thankful that I am feeling better. My voice is coming back, but I'm thankful that I'm feeling better. So I kept a log of that just in case I needed to go to the doctor. I was able to basically home remedy whatever was in my system. So this past week, the week of the 23rd, I have a lot of cleaning that I want to get done. And I want to get all of this done before the new year. Because when I tell you guys that my house is a mess and shambles, that's exactly what it is. So I'm going to use this grid space to really target the areas that I want to tackle. So, and the things that I want to do in general. So I'm just going to make this little thing here in the middle. So before 2020, first thing I need to do is YouTube stuff. I need to update the blog. I need to respond to comments. I need to film and edit. And then, what else do I need to do? Oh, I need to do photos for IG. And I'm going to put /videos for that. And then what else did I want to do for the YouTube section? I think that was about it. And then, okay, so finance, I need to check my bank account. I need to make sure all December bills are paid. And I need to do my January budget. So that is section number 2. Now for, I'm really trying to think, was there anything else? Oh, and I need to brain dump. So this is something that I'm always doing, brain dumping, but I'm going to add it to the list anyway. Now, the other thing that I have over here that's pretty important is my memoir. And I need to make final edits by the 31st. And I need to send on the 1st to my beta readers. So that's that. Final edits, I'm really getting down to the wire here. So those are 3. Now for stuff I need to do in my home and able to really effectively accomplish what I want to do with YouTube and chaotic critic stuff in general and my memoir, I need to clean my damn office. So I'm going to put over here, I'm just going to write office cleanup. And I need to purge. I need to take out the trash. I need to make a clear, concise giveaway pile. I need to clean my desk. I need to vacuum and Swiffer the floors. What else do I need to do? Oh, I need to organize my craft closet. So this stuff that I have going on in the second half of my list here, I'm going to actually have help from my sister. So having my sister come in and help me, I am going to be paying her because it's only right. She's just coming to help me. It's a lot of cleaning that I need to do, and while I can do it by myself, it's going to take me longer, and because I'm trying to get it all done in a shorter period of time, having her help is going to help a lot. So that's my office. Then I have my bedroom where I really need to do laundry. And I need to change my bed sheets. And then what else do I need to do? I need to vacuum major, and I need to dust. So that's my bedroom. Then there is the guest bedroom. And then I'm just going to have one that is miscellaneous for other stuff that I want to do around the house. So I want to vacuum top to bottom. I need to clean the bathroom. There is a closet in my house. It's our storage closet that I would love to tackle. Realistically, I'm probably not going to tackle it before the new year. I just want to get everything else situated. But that is definitely something I would enlist my sister's help with again. But that can happen in the first quarter of the year. It's not happening before 2020 because I have so many other things that I'm working on. But yeah, vacuum top to bottom, clean bathroom. I need to clean the kitchen. And I need to clean out fridge. And I need to clean the stove. And I need to get into the pantry. What else? My guest bedroom, I need to sort clothes. I need to clean out that closet. I need to fix the wall. I'm debating on whether I want to do a tapestry on the wall or if I'm going to repaint it. I'm probably going to go the tapestry route because I don't have time to be painting stuff. So yeah, I need to fix the walls, and then I need to change the bed sheets. And that is about it. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? Oh, make donate pile. So that is my game plan. Now I'm going to go in and highlight the areas where I'm going to need my sister's help. One of those is going to be my office, simply because while she is helping me get stuff off the floor, I'm also going to be able to move a little bit faster and get trash out of here and organize while she's putting things into piles. And then the guest bedroom, and I'm just going to put a little thing down here of what I'm going to need her help with. So the guest bedroom, because it's a lot of clothes that I need to go through and just a lot of stuff in there. So those are the two areas. And then if I have time, I'm going to get her to help me with the pantry if I have time. But those are the two key areas, and all of this is going to be getting done in a day. I may be able to bribe her with food to get her to help me for another day, but having her help me in general, I'm going to take all the time that I can get. So I'm going to start early in the morning. I need to figure out the rest of my week. One of these days I'm going to start early in the morning, and then it's going to literally go all day of just straight cleaning and getting it done. So I'm hoping to get it done before the week is over. So I'm hoping for Friday or Saturday, because I want to be able to relax on Sunday in a clean space. So Friday or Saturday are my goals to get this done, whereas the vacuuming and cleaning my bathroom and everything else is going to be happening in between that time. But this just gives me an overview of what needs to get done, and as I get it done, I will just cross that bad boy off, and that's it. So nothing major planned for Christmas or anything. So I'm going to be home. I'm off from work until January 2nd. My grandmother has this thing where we cannot do laundry. It's like a generational thing. We cannot do laundry on the 1st. You got to get all your stuff clean before the 30th. By the 31st. On the 1st, there's no cleaning, no nothing. So I have to get all this done now. And then I'll be able to enjoy my last day off doing whatever it is that I'm doing. But that is it for this video. Let me know in the comment section, do you guys mind map when you have a lot of projects to get done just to get an overview? Of course, each of these lists could be more detailed, but this is just an overview of what it is and the areas that I want to target just to get it out of my head, because I keep thinking about it. So major brain dump, this is it. And I'm actually going to just put this little orange around here to highlight the middle section. So this grid paper definitely came in handy, and there's no bleeding through on the other side, which is great. So again, let me know, do you guys do brain dumps and mind mapping in your planner? I could put this in another notebook, but that's what this is for. So I'm going to use it. So let me know down in the comment section. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, you can leave them there as well. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to the Planning for 2020 playlist, as well as other related videos, products featured, and of course my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.